Hi, here we have fresh grapes contain 90% water while dry grapes contain 20% water. So we have fresh grapes and dry grapes. So what happens from fresh grapes to dry grapes is that water gets evaporated and the pulp remains the same. So for example, if you fresh grapes are basically the angur jo hote hain, and dry grapes is the kishmish. So how do you get kishmish from fresh grapes? Is the water evaporates but the actual pulp of the grape remains constant, correct? So let's talk about the water weight and the pulp weight. Okay, initially what we have is the weight of dry grapes obtained from 20 kg of fresh grapes. So we have 20 kgs of fresh grapes and we need to figure out what amount of dry grapes is we are going to get. So let's say we are going to get x kgs of dry grapes from 20 kgs of fresh grapes. Now initially fresh grapes contain 90% water. So 90% of 20 kgs is 18 kgs is going to be the water in this 20 kg and 2 kg is going to be pulp. Now water is going to get evaporated, so final quantity of water is going to be less than 18 kgs. But the amount of pulp has to remain the same. The pulp will not get evaporated. So pulp should remain the same, 2 kgs. Now what happens in dry grapes is, dry grapes contain 20% water. So whatever this quantity is, it's going to be 20% of x kg. So if this is 20% of x kg, the amount of pulp should be 80% of x kgs, right? So here we can form the equation that 2 kgs is 80% of x kg, right? So this 80 by 100 is effectively 4 by 5 and x comes out to be 2 into 5, 10 by 4. 10 by 4 is 2.5. So the value of x is 2.5 kgs. Hence the correct answer here is option B, 2.5. Thank you.